Are you tired of spending hours scraping data from websites? Meet Browse AI, your ultimate no-code solution. Imagine automating tedious data collection in just minutes. Our customers rave about how they save time and money using Browse AI. With Browse AI, anyone can build effective scrapers quickly, no coding required. Even beginners can set up powerful tools in no time. Our platform stands out with robust features like monitoring, change detection, and an easy-to-use API. Manage up to 500,000 pages effortlessly. Browse AI monitors websites and sends prompt notifications. Integrate seamlessly with your tools through webhooks for immediate alerts. Experience unbeatable scalability on our AWS infrastructure. Adapt effortlessly to website changes while extracting accurate data at any volume. Join numerous satisfied customers and unlock efficient data scraping. Visit our site today and start your free trial with Browse AI. Take control of your data extraction, your time-saving solution awaits.